Reusing and recycling waste. There are some ways by which we can reduce the production of large amount of waste. One way of reducing the amount of waste is to reuse or recycle. Both these will make our environment safe and cleaner. Therefore, the first step is to segregate the wastes by keeping two garbage bins, one for biodegradable waste and the other for non-biodegradable waste. Ideally, there should be a third bin too for toxic wastes such as batteries, medicines, bandages, paints, etc. Recycling of biodegradable wastes. For recycling of biodegradable waste, there are some techniques which are used to recycle the waste and to use this waste in a better way. Composting. Composting is one of the oldest forms of disposal. This is a natural process that is used to recycle the nutrients in the waste to yield manure or compost. It ensures that the waste is not carelessly thrown and left to decay. The manure thus obtained is very rich in nutrients and is an excellent medium for growing plants. Composting also reduces the amount of disposable garbage. It is also a clean, cheap, and safe method of disposal of the biodegradable waste. Vermicomposting. It is a method of composting where compost is made from the biodegradable waste. Vermicomposting is done with the help of a type of earthworms called redworms. Recycling of paper. As we know, paper is a biodegradable substance. It is necessary that we should use paper without any wastage. We cut trees to make paper. Excessive cutting of trees leads to many environmental problems. What should we have to do to overcome this problem? Here are a few ways to overcome this problem. Recycling of paper means used paper can be processed to make paper again. Do not waste paper. Use electronic documents on a computer. Use both sides of the paper. Use cloth napkins and bags instead of paper napkins and paper bags. Landfills. Landfills are the large open areas used for solid waste disposal. These areas are usually low-lying areas and are away from the places where people live. The garbage from the dumps is taken in trucks to the landfill area. Then it is spread in the landfill area and covered with soil. Once the landfill area is completely full, it is left as such for a long time, about 20 years or so. Such a long time is required as the waste material decomposes very slowly. Finally, that area can be converted into a park or a playground. Do you know that the Indraprasth Park in New Delhi has been developed on a landfill area? Reusing and recycling non-biodegradable waste. A non-biodegradable waste like plastic bags, glass bottles, aluminium foil, etc. cannot be broken down by decomposers. Their disposal poses a big problem. That is why reuse and recycling of these wastes has become very essential. We can also sell our waste like glass bottle, papers, iron things to the kabadiwala for recycling. Kabadiwala takes these items to the factories where these are used to make new products. Plastic items are used to make new items. Old papers are used to make new papers. Old glass things are used to make new glass products. So, it is the proper use of the things without wasting them. Hence, we should reuse and recycle our old things. Never throw them into the waste. Recycling of plastics. Use of plastics has become a major concern nowadays because they are non-biodegradable and release harmful gases upon heating or burning. They can also contaminate foodstuffs. If eaten by animals, plastics can choke and kill them. Over the last decade, our government and other social agencies took so many steps to reduce the use of plastic. A country-wide network for collection of plastic waste through rag pickers, waste collectors, and recycling enterprises have spread all over the country. In India, there are many states that have banned the use of plastics, and they seem to have achieved success. For example, the entire district of Ladakh, where the local authorities imposed a ban on plastics in 1998, seeing its adverse effects on the environment, and you cannot see a single piece of plastic there. Advantages of recycling. It leads to reduced consumption of raw materials. It makes surroundings cleaner and healthier. It saves on landfill space. It saves environment from degradation. It also saves money.